everyone, I hope you're well. My name is Emma and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing a spring inspired flower liner look. If you haven't seen any of my flower designs before, I will put them on the screen next to me right now so you guys can see, but I'm doing a spring inspired one today, so I think I'm going to do some like blue flowers with some coral or something like that. So if you're interested in how I create a spring flower look, then please continue watching. Okay, so I've zoomed you guys in so that we can start on the eyes first. So I'm first just going to do my eyebrows, and I have found my new favourite brow soap, which is the BPerfect Indestructi brows. I literally am obsessed with it. I'm going to say that it is, for me personally, it is better than Pink Honey soap. So this is what I'm going to go through my brows with first, and then I'm also going to carve out my brows using the Revolution concealer. And then also fill in some like hair strokes with the LA Girl brow pencil. So now our brows are complete and really fluffy. I'm going to go in with the Plouise base in the shade Rumour 0.5 and just pack that over kind of like the top half of my eyelid. And now going into the HNB Dare to Be Different palette, I'm going to go into the shade Welcome, which is this lovely pink corally colour, and I'm going to take a Peaches and Cream PC 47 brush and just lightly start to pack that into a cut crease shape. So now that we have that shade down, I'm just going to cut the crease with the Simple Micellar Water and also the Peaches and Cream PC 40 brush, and also going to wipe off all the excess with a cotton bud. So I have neatened up both of the cut creases, and I've also started to do the flowers on this eye, and now we're just going to repeat it onto this eye, and I'm going to be using the Mehron Paradise Paint palette and also the SuvaBeauty in the shade Freezie, and I'm also going to be using the Peaches and Cream PC 45 and the Suva liner brushes to do the flowers. So these are water activated paints, so you just got to dip your brush in some water and then swirl it around in the paint, and that will create the liner consistency. So first of all, I'm going to go in with the white and start to create the desired flowered shape. So I'll be back after I have done that. So now that we have the shape of the flowers that we want, I'm going to go in with a baby blue and just start to kind of fill in the flowers and leaving a little white outline around the outside. And then after I've done that, I'm going to go in with my Suva Freezie liner and start to do the same, just not fill it so much, just to get the depth from the dark blue into the white. So now that the flowers are done on this side, I've gone and done the leaves on this other eye, and now I'm just going to repeat that step onto this eye. So I've done that in the exact same way that I did the flowers. I'm going to like outline the shape with white first, then go in with a light green and then a dark green, kind of like the detailing on the leaves. So both sides are now done, and I've just gone in and just like tidied up some of the flowers, and now I'm going to add some more detailing to the flowers. So I'm going to go in with a black Suva liner and just start to add some like little lines into the flowers just to make them have a bit more like texture and detailing. So now we have the flowers complete. I'm going to cut the crease using the Plouise blank canvas paint, and I'm just going to neaten up the crease. So there we go, I've cut the crease, and now I'm just going to line the cut crease with these gems. Now this is going to take quite a long process, so I'm not going to film it all for you, but I'll be back once I've added the gems on both eyes. Okay, so about 10 minutes later, and I've added all of the gems onto both eyes of the cut crease, and now I'm going to add a little bit of the Peaches and Cream pigments in Luxe and Space Hopper, so a mixture of these two kind of coral shades just into the inner third of my eye. And then I'm also going to take a blue from the Dare to Be Different palette and just create kind of a shadow wing as well. There we go, so now our eyes are complete. I'm just going to add on some lashes, and these are the Unicorn Cosmetics in the style Majestic AF. And you can also use my discount code UCEmmaFord for 10% off Unicorn Cosmetics, and I've also got an affiliate link which I will put in the description down below, just like all of my other discount codes and affiliate links. So I'm just going to pop these on, and then I'll be right back and we'll start our other face makeup. Okay, so lashes are on, and so now we can go on to our face makeup. Now I have gone through my base routine before, but it has changed a little bit, so I'm still going to go through it today, just I won't go through in too much detail. So before I did my eye makeup, I did put some moisturiser on my face, and this is the BeautyBay Day 1 Moisturiser. So that's all soaked into my skin now, and I'm just going to prep my skin with the Sample Beauty Infinity in 1 Beauty Gel, and this acts as a primer, and also I feel like it smooths out my skin so much, so I'm just going to apply that with a Unicorn Cosmetics brush. And then after we do that, I'm also going to cover some of my spots and blemishes, the most prominent ones, mainly on my chin, with the blank canvas paint from Plouise. So now that is done, I'm just going to go in with my foundation and concealer, and these are both the Revolution Makeup Conceal and Hydrate and Conceal and Define. So Conceal and Hydrate foundation and the Define concealer, and I'm going to put on the foundation with the Peaches and Cream PC26 brush and also a Real Technique sponge, and then I'm also going to take the BeautyBay sponge to do my under eyes with the lighter concealer. And now onto the powders. I am first just setting my under eyes with the Revolution translucent setting powder, and I'm using this small fluffy brush from Spectrum as well. So I'm just going to set underneath my eyes, and then also the centre of my forehead and my chin. And now I'm going to do a little bit of contouring with the BeautyBay bronzer in the shade Donut, and just taking the Peaches and Cream PC18 brush to do so. And now I'm just going to warm my face up with the Benefit Hoola bronzer and this fluffy brush from Morphe. It doesn't actually have a name on it, but yeah. And now I'm going to go in with my new blusher at the moment that I have been in love with, is the Milani Luminoso, I think that's how you say it, and taking a BeautyBay all-rounder brush, which is also very kindly gifted by BeautyBay, and I'm just going to pop that onto the apples of my cheeks, and I like to bring it quite high as well, like up kind of towards like my temples as well. Now this does have a little bit of like a sheen to it, but it's really soft and gorgeous. Put a little bit on my nose as well. And now going in with my new favourite highlight, which is the Ofracosmetics in All of the Lights, and this again was gifted by BeautyBay, so thank you so much BeautyBay for sending this across. I absolutely love it. So I like to mix the two lightest shades here, but sometimes I just go in the middle just to get a little bit of all of the shades. And I'm taking this on a Peaches and Cream PC17 brush. And now this isn't so glittery, but it does make a really nice like glow on your cheeks. So you don't need a lot. And another thing that I've been absolutely obsessed with recently is fake freckles. I think it's because we're coming up to summertime now, and I wish I had freckles myself. So I've literally just been adding them onto my looks recently, and I love it. So I usually use the Benefit Precisely My Brown Pencil, but this is running very, very low. So I use this LA Girl pencil instead, and just start by doing small little dots like this. And I find it helps if you like twist the pencil at the same time. Oops. and you can add them wherever you like. I just like to add some kind of over my nose and cheeks, and then a couple on like the center of my forehead as well. I will like make these a bit more kind of dull. I'm just getting them in the right position first. Okay, so now that I have kind of the right amount on, I'm just going to take my finger and just dab them so they start to like blend into my skin. Also, excuse my nail varnish, it's awful. I need to repaint my nails. But yeah, now I'm just kind of blending them in, and as you can see, they're kind of becoming less prominent. Obviously you can leave them like prominent if you like, but I just like to soften them a little bit so it looks a little bit more natural. Okay, so now the final things to do is I'm just going to set my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and I'm also going to apply some more of that coral shade underneath my eye from the Dare to Be Different HNB Cosmetics palette. So now the final thing is lips, and I've just gone in with a little bit of the NYX Abu Dhabi Soft Matte Lip Cream. So really lightly, just applying that to my lips. And now I'm just going to go in with the Peaches and Cream lip gloss in the shade Bellini, which is this really pretty kind of coral shade. And I've also been obsessed with glosses recently. I've never been a gloss person, but I don't know why, but summer's just coming around and I feel like fake freckles and gloss is just everything at the moment. So I'm just going to put some of this on top. So here we have our final look. So this is what I created, my spring inspired flower look. As always, I will show you a close-up video at the end so you guys can see. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. And as always, please make sure that you subscribe, like and comment down below, and also check out my Instagram at @MForlixO. And I will also leave all of my discount codes and affiliate links down below so you guys can shop any of the products that I've used today. So yeah, I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.